Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of knotless boho braids. To start, always ensure your natural hair is clean and well moisturized before braiding. This crucial step helps prevent frizz and potential breakage. Also, ask your braider to use light tension, especially around your edges, to protect your scalp. A good foundation is key for a beautiful, long-lasting style. For daily maintenance, moisturizing is essential. Use a light oil or braid spray on your scalp and the braided sections every day to keep them hydrated. Gently detangle the human hair pieces with your fingers to maintain their natural, flowing look. At night, always wear a silk or satin bonnet to protect your braids from friction and frizz while you sleep. When it's time to wash, aim for every 2 to 3 weeks. Dilute your shampoo and focus on cleansing your scalp, then gently wash the braided sections. Condition the human hair pieces separately to keep them soft and prevent tangling. After washing, allow your braids to air dry completely. This prevents any mildew or unpleasant odors from developing within the braids. To extend the life of your knotless boho braids, avoid excessive manipulation, which can cause frizz and loosen the style. You might consider refreshing the human hair pieces after about 4 to 6 weeks to maintain their fresh appearance. When it's time for removal, typically after 8 to 10 weeks, do so gently to minimize any potential damage to your natural hair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.